5? Still 5? During the actual games, I'm in charge of directing the arena show that you see when you come here as a fan. Our responsibility mainly is to put a TV show together for them, for the 22,000 people that are here. Kind of like if you're at home watching the game, right? They have their own show for the people kind of at home, and we have our own show. And so my main responsibility is to ensure I have a fully equipped staff to properly execute, and for us to ensure we're entertaining and informing everyone that's been here.
I'm the A1 for the Bulls. I take care of all of the audio elements that come from various parts of the arena, from hosts to the announcers to the videos that roll, and blend that all together to come out of the speakers in the arena for all the audience to hear.
Mainly, I do the light show during the games. That's the most fun part of my job. But we wear a lot of other hats in the technical productions department. We're in charge of all the TVs throughout the venue, and some of the broadcast engineering stuff as well.
I am the officially host and senior producer of Bulls Entertainment Events. So what I do varies from day to day. Some days there's games, some days there's events, some days there's video shoots, some days there's meetings where we try to figure out how to do a contest. So I like it. It's a lot of variety. But I would say that there's no 2 days that are the same. So and that works for me because I'm a person that can't sit still.
I'm the technical director for Scoreboard for the Chicago Bulls. I press buttons, switching between all the sources, between replay, between our music videos and stuff like that, cutting cameras.
Game day, I punch in, I come in, get my rig set up, make sure that the engineers are getting a signal, go to rehearsal downstairs, rehearse the dance crews, rehearse the levels, the anthem, pretty much rehearse everything that goes on during the show.
It's a lot. I mean, if you don't have the behind-the-scenes teamwork, you don't really have anything that runs really smoothly, because there's a lot of effort that goes into the preparation of everything, right? There's so many bodies involved, so many people being responsible for so many different entities. It's a good example of a team collaboration to make everything happen during the game.
I help oversee everything that goes into a Bulls game, pre-game, in-game, during the timeouts, halftime, help coordinate with all the video production folks, all the internal departments at the Bulls to make sure everybody sees, hears what they need to see and hear throughout a Bulls game. It's a partnered element, a Bulls element, fun element, an entertainment element, all the above.
My title for the United Center is Senior Creative Producer. I edit and produce things for the United Center. Collectively, our team has won several Golden Matrix Awards, which is across the nation, scoreboards across the nation, and several different Emmys as well.
We have our game production meeting every game day at 11 a.m. that I help lead along with the game director that night. The game production meeting can take anywhere from maybe 20-30 minutes to an hour. We go through every element that night, make sure everybody's on the same page. Video production, cameras, all of our entertainment teams, coaches, etc. Then after that, maybe grab a quick bite for lunch and get set for our graphic check, video check. We have rehearsal every day at 4 p.m. so I want to make sure everything's ready to go as much in advance of that as I can. We're on the floor at 4 for rehearsal. On a 7 o'clock scheduled game start, the doors open to the United Center at 5:30, so we're done with rehearsal for sure by then. And then it's full systems go for our first element, which can take place anywhere between sort of 6 o'clock and maybe 6:20, the latest.
like the collaboration I have with everyone. I love my staff. I love the youthful energy that they bring to everyone. I love the long-lasting relationships I've developed the 30 years I've been here. I consider myself somewhat of a people person. I just enjoy being around everyone and the creative process that everyone brings to it.